Hello and welcome to another update on DOT. We are here on the daily chart, Polkadot daily chart, and we have seen a three-wave move so far to the upside from the April low. I'm labeling this as a standard ABC structure to the upside for now. So we don't have any five-wave pattern. We don't have any impulse to the upside. No, it's just seen as a corrective rally, which again, I have labeled as wave A. And the idea is that we're tracking here an ABC structure to the upside. So a larger one, right? So we have an ABC complete, but that's likely only going to be the A wave of a larger three-wave move up. So that is currently my view. The pullback looks corrective so far. So we have a three-wave move down. In my view, the structure of the decline here looks different to what we had here before. Yeah. These were quite rapid declines. It doesn't look at all like that, okay? It looks more like what we had here, which was followed by another high. So different angle, okay? And you see the structure has changed, okay? From sharp declines to rather weak declines and strong, strong movements to the upside. So yeah, it's all okay. It is in line with the short-term bullish thesis for now. Yes, we have reached resistance, but I am not convinced yet that we are heading to a bear market here. Yeah, I mean, we wanted to see the resistance reached. Okay, those of you who've been with us for a few months or I don't know, even longer, you know that I'm not convinced that the dot chart will reach all-time highs, especially not in this cycle. However, it is entirely possible that the market is going to continue to grind higher overall slowly until Bitcoin forms a top. Again, not expecting an all-time high there, but the market is likely going to reach higher resistance levels. For example, $7.15 or $8.84 after a corrective pullback is complete here in this B-wave pullback, and we can watch for higher prices from there. Yeah, and in addition to that, we are also tracking, separate from that, this white scenario, which is more bullish. But honestly, I don't really see how it comes together because the move up is not a five-wave move. So it's difficult to call that wave one. It's possible if this entire move up in white wave C is a diagonal pattern. But yeah, I mean, I don't really see much evidence for that. So if we get five waves up, it could be white. I mean, any break above $8.84 will rather shift the focus to white. But again, also that is far away from all-time highs. It's just a larger corrective rally, right? Which is coming from a low here that formed in white wave 1 in October 23. Then we say A wave up, B wave down, C wave up. So that's my idea about the white scenario. The yellow count is more directly bearish. But even in both of these, we can watch short-term for higher prices once this internal pullback is over. Let's go to the smaller time frame for DOT. And here you can see the micro patterns in a bit more detail. You can see that the rally from the April low was a clear three-wave move up. The pullback so far is also choppy. So I'm tracking this as an ABC structure as well. Now it's possible the B wave topped already. So when we zoom in a little bit, first of all, it's important to understand what is support. And the support area is between $3.62 and $4.44. So this is what really counts, what matters. The price has already reacted to support, but not really a strong buy response. So I would not be surprised if a wider ABC structure forms. ABC in the yellow count, like that, possible. Then we need to avoid a break above the green line, located at $4.81. At the moment, I'm watching this, but would not be surprised by a wider B wave. And resistance in this case is between $4.88 and $5.28. So for now, the reaction here to Fibonacci support has been in three waves. So you see that it's a three-wave move up, and there is absolutely no appetite, it seems, to break above the previous high at $4.81. So from that point of view, the pressure remains downward, especially against that level. Okay, if we break above it, then we can watch this resistance area here. That's the update on DOT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership.